always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be trying to go for these box logos, bro. I'm ever so amped. To this very moment, I don't even know what color I'm gonna go for. None of that beautiful stuff, but I am going to be trying to get a box logo. I honestly did my research. I copied my card. I set up my addresses. I did everything. I'm going to be trying on my phone and I'm going to be trying on my computer at the same time. Hopefully we do receive some luck from the Supreme gods today and we are able to cook up. Honestly, bro, I don't really want to waste too much time. I want to get straight up into this, but if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it. Subscribe down below if you do enjoy this type of content. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make on the channel. Also, go ahead and check out yesterday's room tour. I know it's a long awaited video, so I'm gonna put it in the card once the video is about to end. Go ahead and check that after this. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright, so right now it's probably like, what, 30 seconds to drop. I got the sweatshirts tab open. I got the new tab open just in case. I know exactly where the color that I want is gonna be. So, hey, I'm not even tripping. We are ready right here, though. Let's close this shit up. Let's have this open. Yo, I am hot right now. Okay. We got everything set up. 33. Let's see if this shit drops early. Yo, it's already lagging like crazy. Oh my God, what's going on? Alright, so let's refresh from now. Yo, this shit is already lagging bananas right now. Like, yo, I'm hot right now, bro. Some colorways are sold out, some are still loading. I honestly don't know what is going on at this very moment, but yo, I am hot right now. Holy shit, come on, add, bro. All the beanies are sold out at this point. The box logo is not adding to my cart. I got a card decline. Like, I don't know what is going on. Come on, add to the cart, bro. The cart isn't popping up. Like, yo, my shit is acting crazy right now, folks. All the BOGOs are sold out. That shit was so quick. I don't know what happened, bro. Like, shit just disappeared on me. Bro, what the hell just went down? I do not know, bro. Yeah, everything is sold out, dude. That's it. It's over. Like, now it's just a matter of time before we find a restock. I took the L. Like, the L was took already, bro. I don't know what just happened. Shit just went left, all the way left. Like, I don't know how or why, bro. Like, this shit don't make no sense. I got card decline. Like, I'm sick. I am sick. Now I just gotta wait for a restock. So I guess I'm gonna catch y'all if I do find a restock. If I end up cooking up, I am gonna put it in the video. But if I don't, then hey, please leave a like, because this shit was a disaster. Like, this is honestly disappointing, bro. I couldn't get a beanie, I couldn't get a hoodie, I couldn't get shit, to be honest, and it's mad frustrating, bro. Like, the nutcracker's still sitting, and low-key is gonna stay sitting because I'm not spending however much it costs.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop your fucking lying.
I don't even know if I want this shit. I'm gonna just buy it, fuck it, just to say I bought something. Alright, so I guess we about to end up buying this nutcracker right here, bro. I'm stressed. Y'all don't even understand. Like, bro, I just wanted the BOGO, bro. I just wanted the BOGO. Like, I couldn't even get a beanie. That's what's frustrating. Like, I didn't get shit. Like, nothing. It says, please wait for the nutcracker. I don't even know if it's going through, though. It went through. So I ended up getting the nutcracker. I'm not excited, bro. Like, I'm not amped. Until I get a box logo, I am not excited. I'm gonna just wait here for like an hour. I'm gonna catch y'all if I do catch anything, but honestly. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like. I did not enjoy this video, but hey, please leave a like for my L. I'm gonna go on my couch right now and just dwell on life. Go ahead and check out my room tour if you do want to go ahead and see what this whole thing looks like. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content, or hopefully some more W's, because I've been taking so many L's. But click those post notification bells if you are new. Let me know what type of videos you would like me to make down below, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.